But here's a tip for you. We heard this years ago, and you have to be very cautious. But you know, the Brick or Leon's or whatever, these furniture store places, they have these credit cards, crazy credit cards, and I'm not one for credit card debt. I don't believe in it and don't believe in paying interest and all that stuff. However, here's a loophole. So let's say you have a rental that you want to convert, but you know it's going to out of pocket you. Often it's about 10 grand, Kelly. If you're, you know, buying all brand new stuff, in general, you can count on about 10 grand to furnish a place, and that's with everything and with nice stuff and TVs and all that stuff. There's these cards that will be no interest for 5 years. So here's the caution. So with these cards, you can go out and you can furnish your place. 100% furnish it, no money out of pocket, and immediately start taking in the extra rent, right? And you don't have to pay that money back for 5 years. However, apparently on the 5th year, when you have bought it from, when that interest kicks in, it kicks in huge. 30% interest or whatever it might be, all the way from day one gets allotted on that first day. So you have to make sure that you've paid that card off before then. But you can use it to buy your furniture, up your rents by $7 to $11 to $1,500 a month, and then every month that extra money for the first few months or first year even is going to go on to paying off that card. And then after the first year, you got to furnish for no money down, no money of your money down, right? So great little tip there. Lots of people have used it and it works fantastic, but huge caution if you don't pay it off by the time that no interest period ends, you are hooped and you will be paying crazy amount of interest, and you know, you don't want to be doing that.